Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Belle, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, November 18th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 39 degrees with fog. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks won last night against the Sabres with a score of 4-1. The Bears lost last night against the Rams with a score of 17-7. There are no announcements today. Clubs meeting today are Yoga and Happiness Club will meet at 11:15 in the music room. Games, Crafts Around the World Club will meet from 3 to 4 p.m. in room 104. Geography B Club will meet from 3 to 4 p.m. in room 206. Magical Masterpieces will meet from 3 to 4 p.m. in the LRC. 5th and 6th grade Battle of the Books will meet from 3 to 4 p.m. in room 119. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are Chess Club will meet at 8 a.m. in room 212. Battle of the Books grades 1 and 2 will meet at 8 a.m. in room 214. Have a magnificent and marvelous Monday.